Bronchitis home remedies.
Bronchitis is a condition in which the tubes that carry air to and from your lungs are inflamed. This can make it hard to eat, sleep, and even talk. Here are 7 natural remedies to speed up your recovery from bronchitis. 1. Eat spicy foods. If you can stand them, eat spicy foods like cayenne pepper and salsa. They will encourage coughing, in a good way. They'll also thin the mucus, making it easier to get out. 2. Consume honey and lemon. Add honey and lemon to your tea. The honey will coat your throat, while the lemon will give you antioxidants. You can even add honey and lemon to plain warm water for a simple drink. 3. Inhale steam. Steam can naturally thin mucus, a common symptom of bronchitis. Just pour water and breathe in the steam. You can make it more soothing by adding few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil. 4. Drink warm soup. When you have bronchitis, it can be hard to eat. Keep your tummy full with a vegetable or chicken broth. You can bulk it up with diced carrots, celery, or brown rice. The warm liquid will also thin the mucus. 5. Take echinacea. Treat your throat to warm echinacea tea with honey and lemon. It will also boost your immune system and help your body fight off the sickness. If you don't like tea, take echinacea supplements. 6. Gargle with salt water. Salt water can ease the pain from irritated throats. To make a mouthwash, mix 1 teaspoon of salt with 1 cup of warm water. Gargle the solution and spit out. 7. Apply a hot compress. Placing a hot water bottle on your chest can lighten up that heavy feeling. The water shouldn't be hot enough to burn you, though. If you don't have a water bottle, soak a small towel in warm water. Wring it out and lay it on your chest. It's good to avoid drinking alcohol and smoking cigarettes. These habits will just make your condition worse. Share this video among your friends please. And don't forget to like and comment.